Hey guys, it's Miss Tarkington. I want to read a story to you today. I was able to read it to one of the classes, but I want to read it and then embed it into Schoology for you. You've probably heard it before. It's called All Are Welcome. I'm going to read it pretty fast. You can borrow it from my library if you want to read it. Look at the pictures up close. All are welcome. It's written in rhyme like a poem. See if you can figure out the words that rhyme. Pencils sharpened in their case. Bells are ringing. Let's make haste. That means let's get in a hurry. School's beginning. Dreams to chase. All are welcome here. Pay attention to the children and how all. What do you think all means? No matter how you start your day, what you wear or when you play, or if you come from far away, all are welcome here. And so in my room, I have a map, and I always hang the name of the students in my class and what country they're from. And so you notice all these students are pointing to their country where they come from. In our classroom, safe and sound, fears are lost and hope is found. Raise your hand, we'll go around. All are welcome here. Gather now, let's all take part. We'll play music, we'll make art. We'll share stories from the heart. The heart, guys, is that literal or figurative? Think about it. We'll share stories from the heart. All are welcome here. Time for lunch. What a spread. A dozen different kinds of bread. Pass it around till everyone's fed. All are welcome here. Every country has the best bread. Naan and tortillas, all different kinds of bread. I love it. Open doors, rush outside. We'll swing and we'll slide. We'll have fun side by side. All are welcome here. Guys, I want to see if I can get in close. You see people in wheelchairs, and someone has a cane and dark glasses. I'm going to assume that they might be visually impaired. And so we see students from every country, every nationality, every skin color. All are welcome here. We're a part of a community. Our strength is our diversity. A shelter from adversity. All are welcome here. Diversity means all of us, all different kinds. Adversity, a shelter from adversity. That's problems and troubles. Our classroom is a safe environment, like a family where we're all safe. We will learn from each other. Special talents we'll uncover. There's a big world to discover. And look, some people are science people, and we've got bugs and dinosaurs and slime and DNA and planets. But all are welcome here. This looks like they're performing for their parents. Maybe a parent night. It's like the band and all of that. So much to learn, so much to do. And when the busy day is through, can't wait to come back and start anew. All are welcome here. Head for home and get some rest. And greet tomorrow ready and fresh. Time together is the best. All are welcome here. And these are all the things that you do with your family when you're home. Get ready for bed, play with the dog, play with the cat, brush your teeth. You have a place here. You have a space here. This is one of my favorite pictures. Watch. It opens up double the amount. Let's see if I can hold it up where you can see it. All are welcome here. And what I love about it is it's got the flags from all the countries. See if I can zoom in. Look at all the different flags from all the countries. Isn't that great? It's one of my favorite pictures, and it opens up way big. Very cool. Anyway, all are welcome here. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to click on the discussion post and type in the name of the country where your family's from. You were probably all born in the United States. I was born in the United States, but my great-grandparents came here from Germany. I'll probably still say the United States, but did your family come from El Salvador, Honduras, Guatemala, Mexico, China, Asia, somewhere in Asia, Iraq, Iran. Where did your family come from? Ask your parents and then type in the discussion just one word, or my family came from. And remember, I'm going to hang your name. I'm going to put some yarn and draw the yarn to the country where your family comes from. Totally okay if you want to say the United States, but if you want to say where a lot of your family might still live, grandparents or whatever, in another country, totally cool too. I just like to draw attention to all the cool cultures and the languages that we speak. So answer in the discussion post, and I'll give you a couple of days to do that. Talk to your parents if you're not sure. All right, guys, I love you lots. Bye.